It is 10th of August and the day is Monday, class 10th. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have to do the exercise of unit number 6, that is television versus newspaper. So let's start our lesson with glossary. First is broadcast, and its meaning is to transmit a program on television or radio. Means नशर करना. Coverage, the action of covering something for the press. नशर अशात. Disconnect, marked. Numaya, entertainment, performances that people enjoy. Tafri, layer, the state of having time at one's own disposal. Mean फारिग वक्त, luxury, delight, सहूलत, तफरी. omit, leave somebody or something out, मतलब खारिज करना, निकालना. proficient, वेरी स्किलफुल एट समथिंग, माहिर होना. स्किप, खारिज करना, निकालना. सेम एज ओमिट, नो टू डू समथिंग बट टू डू द नेक्स्ट थिंग इंस्टेड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वोकेबलरी. गिव द मीनिंग ऑफ ईच वर्ड यूज्ड एज यूज इन द लेसन्स. प्राइमरली, ओरिजिनली, उर्दू में इब्तदाई तौर पे बोलते हैं. डिस्कनेक्ट, डिफरेंट, नुमाया. एस्पेक्ट्स, साइड्स, पहलू. लेयर, फ्री टाइम, फारिग वक्त. ऑडिटरी, रिलेटिंग टू हेयर, समात से मुतालिक जितने भी हैं. कवरेज, रिपोर्टिंग, तशहीर करना. लग्जरी, कंफर्ट, मीनिंग सहूलत, आराम. And B, part from a noun with each of the following words and use the nouns in the sentences. Students, ये आपको कुछ दिए गए हैं, कुछ पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच हैं जो कि आपने नाउन में इनको कन्वर्ट करना है और नेक्स्ट फिर उसका सेंटेंस बनाना है. जैसे फर्स्ट है रेलिवेंट. इट इज़ अ एडजेक्टिव, इट इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव एंड इट्स नाउन इज रेलिवेंस. So make a sentence of relevance. Your talk has no relevance to my problem. Okay. For example, interested. It is an adjective and its noun is interest. Its noun is interest. For example, do not take interest in other matters. Require. It is a verb and its noun is requirement. So its example, for example, note down your requirements for next month or next any other thing. Convenient. It is an adjective and its noun is convenience. I have convenience of my work at home, working at home. Okay. Effective. It is an adjective and its noun is effect. So sentence, father's advice had no effect on her. So next start reading comprehension. Analysis of patterns of text organization. Choose the correct option. Students, as you know that you have to read the whole unit with explanation, and so it will not difficult for you to choose the best answer. Okay. So next, first one is in paragraph 1, the topic sentence is spotted through facts, examples, definitions. Correct answer is facts. And paragraph 2 shows that watching news on television is A, not as convenient, trouble free, and more convenient than reading newspaper. C is correct option, more convenient than reading newspaper. Third is the key idea of paragraph number 4 is A, reading newspaper is more convenient than watching television. B, watching television and reading newspaper are equally convenient. C, television viewing is is more convenient than reading newspaper. So it will not difficult for you to choose. Part A is correct option. Reading newspaper is more convenient than watching television. Paragraph number 5 gives argument in favor of television, gives arguments in favor of newspaper. C shows both mediums are equally advantageous. So C is correct option, क्योंकि दोनों मीडियम आपके इक्वली फ़ायदा दे रहे थे, यही आप शो कर रहा है पैराग्राफ नंबर 5 में. टेलीविजन न्यूज़ इज़ लाइक हैविंग अ फास्ट फूड मील वेयर एज रीडिंग न्यूज़ पेपर इज़ लाइक हैविंग अ 10 कोर्स डिनर. दिस सेंटेंस इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ए मेटाफर, बी सिमिली एंड सी पर्सनिफिकेशन. अब ए मेटाफर किसको कहते हैं उर्दू में? इस्तारा को कहते हैं. सिमिली तशबीह को कहते हैं. पर्सनिफिकेशन शख्सियत के तौर पे इस्तेमाल होता है, फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इट आल्सो कॉल्ड. सिमिली इसमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बिकॉज लाइक और एज यूज्ड इन सिमिली. जैसा कि आपको एक एग्जांपल में दे देती हूँ कि सिमिली आप कहते हैं कि फलां मेरा बेटा चाँद की तरह है, चाँद की तरह खूबसूरत है, की तरह खूबसूरत है, तो फिर ये सिमिली हुई. अगर मैं कहती हूँ कि मेरा बेटा चाँद है तो ये मेटाफर हुआ. तो अब ये लाइक यूज़ हुआ है कि फलां लाइक हैविंग अ फास्ट फूड, लाइक हैविंग अ 10 कोर्स डिनर, तो ये सिमिली है, इसमें तशबीह इस्तेमाल हुई है. पैराग्राफ नंबर 6 कंक्लूड्स दैट ए ऑप्शन वी शुड यूज़ बोथ मीडियम्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. टेलीविजन यूज शुड बी गिवन प्रेफरेंस. C, reading newspaper is more important. No, first is A is correct option. That is, we should use both mediums of information. Next question, patterns of the text organization. Text structure, compare and contrast. Signal words like, unlike, in contrast. On the other hand, however, both also to as well as signals to readers, similarities and differences are being discussed. अब यहाँ पे B पार्ट है, आपको इसको देख के सोल्व करना है. आपने रीड द टेक्स्ट अगेन एंड पुट इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट. ये जो भी आपने टेक्स्ट पढ़ा है, ये जो टेक्स्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, इसका पैटर्न देखा है, इसके मुताबिक आपने अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट. ओके, व्हाट इज़ बीइंग कंपेयर्ड एंड कॉन्ट्रास्टेड? सिमिलरिटीज़ एंड डिफरेंसेस, कंप्यूटर वर्सेस टेलीविजन. तो सिमिलरिटीज़, नंबर 1, बोथ न्यूज़पेपर एंड टेलीविजन्स कन्वे news and entertains us. First similarity. Second similarity, both are informative. Okay. Third similarity, both gives us advantage. And differences. First difference is we watch television but we read newspaper. So it's a difference. Number 2, television requires us to sit at a place, but newspaper does not require us to sit at a certain place or a time to be read it. Okay. And number 3 is television gives mostly up-to-date news, but newspaper provides independent coverage. So students, next we start grammar portion, that is modal verbs. A part, put appropriate modal verbs into the gaps. सबसे पहले what are modal verbs? Modal verbs are used with other verbs. Means a modal verb is a type of helping verb. So that is used to express ability, permission, advice, obligation and possibility. For example, बेटा आप अच्छे तरीके से इसको पहले समझ लें हैं क्या. मॉडल वर्ब्स की टाइप्स हैं एबिलिटी, परमिशन, एडवाइस, ऑब्लिगेशन, पॉसिबिलिटीज़. Few sentences are there which we use appropriate modal verbs. How can we use? How you will choose? You will have to choose about its types. आप इसके टाइप्स के ज़रिए देखेंगे कि ये कौन सा यहाँ पे हम यूज़ करेंगे, वर्ब यूज़ करेंगे, कौन सा मॉडल वर्ब अप्रोप्रिएट आएगा, मुनासिब कौन सा इस्तेमाल होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल एबिलिटी, इफ़ देयर इज़ अ सेंटेंस ऑफ एबिलिटी देन वी यूज़ कैन कुड. इफ़ देयर इज़ अ सेंटेंस ऑफ परमिशन देन वी यूज़ कैन कुड मे. If there is a sentence of advice, then we always use should. If there is a sentence of obligation, we always use must or have to. If there is a sentence of possibility, we must use might, may, could, can, could. Okay. First sentence, we dash to borrow umbrellas, so we didn't get wet. आपने इसको देखना है, ये कौन सा है, ये ऑब्लिगेशन सेंटेंस है. ये इसमें ऑब्लिगेशन आ रहा है तो यहाँ पे आप हैड, यू हैव टू पुट हैड, कि हम अम्ब्रेलाज ख़रीद चुके थे, आपने एक फ़र्ज़ पूरा कर लिया था. वी हैड टू बोरो अम्ब्रेलाज सो वी डिडंट गेट वेट, बस हम गीले नहीं हुए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ आई वॉज सो फार फ्राम द स्टेज दैट आई डैश सी वेरी वेल. स्टेज से बहुत दूर था, फिर भी मतलब वो देख सका. ये पॉसिबिलिटी है. इन पॉसिबिलिटी वी यूज़ माइट, कुड, मे, कैन. व्हाट विल वी यूज़ इन पॉसिबिलिटी सेंटेंसेस? माइट, मे, कुड, कैन. इट इज़ अ पॉसिबिलिटी सेंटेंस. मुमकिन है ना कि वो दूर बैठा हुआ था. आई वॉज सो फार फ्रॉम द स्टेज दैट आई कुड सी वेरी वेल. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज he sees very badly. He sees very badly. He dash wear glasses all the time. It's a obligation sentence. It's a obligation sentence. अब उसने ये उसका फ़र्ज़ है कि वो तमाम टाइम ग्लासेस को पहने. It's obligation sentences. And obligation sentences, obligation is a type of modal verb, and its modal verbs are must, have to. मस्ट और हैव टू और हैज़ टू. ओके. ही है तो ही के साथ क्या आएगा? हैज़ टू आएगा. ही सीज वेरी बैडली. ही मस्ट और हैज़ टू वियर ग्लासेस ऑफ ऑल टाइम, ग्लासेस ऑल द टाइम. इट्स अ ऑब्लिगेशन सेंटेंस. एंड नेक्स्ट इज यू डैश ड्राइव फास्ट, देयर इज स्पीड लिमिट हेयर. इट इज़ अ एडवाइस सेंटेंस. इट इज़ अ एडवाइस. And modal verbs we use should. You should not drive fast. There is a speed limit here. इसमें भी advice है. Next, we dash drive fast. We have plenty of time. There is also advice. We should drive fast. So there are 5 sentences. First sentence, obligation sentence, and obligation must or have to, had, has, possibility, that we use in possibility might, may, could, can. Okay. Next, third is obligation sentence, and I have told you has to, have to, must, had. Advice, always you use should. Okay, you will use should in advice sentences. These are the modal verbs. Next we start active voice, passive voice. Put in the correct form of verb to complete the following sentences in passive voice. First is a letter dash by Ehsan. A letter dash by Ehsan. To write present continuous, you have to change it in present continuous tense. And passive voice, the helping verb in passive voice are of present continuous: is being, are being, am being. So a letter is being, and we have use the third form of the verb, because in all passive voice we will use third form of the verb. And also in this sentence we have a letter is being written by Son. The words dash by the teacher today. To explain present indefinite, you have to change it in present indefinite tense. The present indefinite tense passive voice helping verb is are, am, and the words are explained. We use the third form of the word, because we will always use the third form of the verb in passive voice, only in passive voice. Third, this road dash because of snow. Already are too close, present indefinite tense. It also have to change in you will have to change present indefinite tense. And the road is already in present indefinite tense. Passive voice, as I have told you, is are, am, and in present continuous tense is being, are being, am being. These are the passive the helping verb of passive voices. This road is already because of snow. The dish is dash by my mother, by my brother. Not or to wash, present continuous tense. You have to change it in present continuous tense. That will be the dishes are not being washed by my brother. 5 is I dash by the principal. I am not called by the. Not or called, present indefinite, you have to change in present indefinite, and I am not called by the principal. Now we start the first conditional sentences. The first conditional sentences are used to speculate about possible situation that can really happen at present or in future. Students, as all of you know that there are three types of conditional sentences. First is open conditional, second is unlikely condition and conditional, and third is unreal conditional. सो आपकी जो करनी है, आपने सिर्फ आपकी जो सिलेबस में है अभी सिर्फ फर्स्ट कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस हैं. दैट विल बी आल्सो कॉल्ड ओपन कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस. ओके, हमेशा फर्स्ट जो कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस होंगे, अगर उसका पार्ट इफ़ वाला पार्ट अगर प्रेजेंट में है तो देन मेन पार्ट विल बी इन ऑलवेज इन फ्यूचर. मेन पार्ट विल ऑलवेज बी इन फ्यूचर टेंस में होगा. स्ट्रक्चर इज इफ प्रेजेंट टेंस प्लस फ्यूचर टेंस. ये फर्स्ट कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस की पहचान है. इफ दे आर बिजी पीपल it is a present tense and they will miss the news. It is a future tense. So next start the part C. Put the correct form of the verbs to make first conditional sentences. First is if you dash back late. If you dash back late, I dash be angry. If you go back late, I dash be angry. If you get back late, I will be angry. अब फर्स्ट जो इफ वाला है वो किस में, प्रेजेंट टेंस में है, और नेक्स्ट किस में होगा, आई विल बी एंग्री. नेक्स्ट इन विल बी इन फ्यूचर. इफ वी वेट, नंबर 2, if we wait here, it is a present tense and next main part will be in future tense. We will be late. If we go on holiday this summer, it is a present tense and it is the part of if part in present tense, then the main part will be in future. We will go to ziyarat. Okay. Number 4, if the weather dash not improve. If the weather does not improve, present indefinite tense we will use, and its main part will be in future. We will not have a picnic. Number 5, they will go to the party. It is a future tense and next part will be in present tense. Okay, they will go to the party if they are invited. अगर किसी भी सेंटेंस में इफ़ पार्ट अगर प्रेजेंट में आ जाए तो मेन पार्ट फ्यूचर में होगा, एंड अगर मेन पार्ट इफ़ पार्ट किस में होगा, प्रेजेंट में होगा, तो दूसरा पार्ट इसका पहले वाला कौन सा होगा, फ्यूचर में हो जाएगा. तो सो इट इज़ आल्सो कॉल्ड ओपन कंडीशनल और फर्स्ट कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस. नेक्स्ट वी स्टार्ट साइलेंट लेटर्स. In many English words, you will come across some letters that you spelled but not pronounced. Here is a list of common letters combination. That is, first is B. B is not pronounced. Climb, crum, dumb, com. C, silent. C is not pronounced. In the ending, SCLE. For example, muscle. D is not pronounced. In the following common words, handkerchief, Wednesday. E is not pronounced, makes the vowel long. Hope, drive, gave, right, side. G is not often pronounced when followed by N. Foreign, sign, faint. Silent GH is not pronounced before T and at the end of many other words. Thought, through, light, might, right, fight, way. Silent H is not pronounced. What, when, why, where, whether. H is not pronounced. Or, honest, honor. Or, here, hub, hub. Silent K is not knife, knee, no, knock, knowledge. L, D, F, M, K, calm, half, top, walk, would, should. N, autumn, ham, P, psychology, phenomena. S, island, isle, isle. T, fasten, castle. Listen, often, thistle, whistle. Rap, right, wrong, whose, home. And D, read paragraph number 5 and find words that contain silent letters. In paragraph number 5, silent letters are writing column views. Okay, next is oral communication skill, and you have to do it. Writing skill, you have also to do it. And paragraph number 4 of this chapter, you have to precise it. मुख्तसर अल्फाज में आपने उसको लिखना है, 6 to 8 लाइन्स लिखनी है. And also you have to write a comparative essay, the influence of electronic media on print media influence of. Okay, you have to given a mind map and make an outline. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Ashhadu subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayka.